In this video we will see how we use map control. Map control is an advanced control which can be used to show multiple locations on a map as multiple markers. Let's start by adding map control from the controls menu. For showing locations in a map we will need a sheet which has multiple locations added in a geolocation column. As you can see, I have Places sheet which has two columns, a place name column which is a text column and a place location column which is a geolocation column. Let's add a formula to the map control. Select Places sheet, and then select Places name, and Places location column. You can see from the formula the place name is the first column and place location is a second column. Important point to note here is that map control requires location data in the first column and location name in the second column. So I'll just interchange the two columns in a lookup formula. As you can see, it has been interchanged. There is an additional property where you can allow the end user to choose the location and even give a custom marker name which is visible when this marker is selected. This is useful when someone wants to add a custom location to the sheet. Let's preview. These are the two locations coming from sheets. You can click on any location on a map to add a custom marker which when clicked displays the custom tooltip provided. Markers which the user has selected can be sent to the sheet using workflow or can be used by any other controls in a page. If you have too many locations in your map, you can also search for your location and the map will move to your location. Let's configure a workflow and then submit the user selected location to the sheet. Create a new workflow. Click on it to open the workflow. Select Update Sheet Task. We will need a sheet where we can add the map location to the sheet. I have a user location sheet. Let's add a new column of type geolocation. Let's refresh this to get updated sheet info. Select user location sheet and then we'll select insert record, and here we'll add the unique name map of our map control and click done. Now let's add a submit button and link the workflow we created earlier. Let's run again and enable the submit data option to allow workflow to execute. I'll select one of the places in San Francisco and click on submit. Here the location we selected is submitted in the user location sheet. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. For more videos visit our YouTube page.